This is Logitech MX Master 4 and I gotta say, I'm in love with this mouse. Let's review. Hey guys, I am Amin and this is Binosha. Today we're gonna review this mouse, Logitech MX Master 4, which is one of the best productivity gadgets I've ever bought, and I want to explain why everyone is in love with this mouse. Actually, I've been using this productivity beast, the MX Master 4, continuously for about 6 months now. I have to admit, as much as I loved my MX Master 3S, this version has made it so I don't even want to look back. But a very important note here. If you are a gamer, close this video right now and go get a Logitech G Series mouse. This mouse simply wasn't built for you. Why? I'll tell you in a bit. The first thing you notice in this mouse is the difference in materials and build quality. In previous models, after long-term use, hand sweat would often cause the rubberized body to peel or deform. But with the Gen 4, Logitech has used more durable, higher quality materials that feel much better in the hand. You can even customize the rubberized section through the Logi Options app. The overall design keeps that classic ergonomics, where your hand just sits perfectly on the top. I know some people might not like the plasticky feel of the new design, but I like it more because it feels better in the hand and it lasts longer. Now let me talk about the real game changer here, haptic feedback. Yes, this mouse vibrates, but not like those annoying phone vibrations. For example, when you're moving a layer in Photoshop, the moment it snaps to the guide, you feel a tiny, satisfying click and haptic right under your palm. In Premiere, it helps immensely with navigating the timeline or making cuts. That tactile response really levels up your precision. In this mouse, we have a new feature, Action Ring, and it can be triggered by this rubberized part. And I gotta say, I loved it. You can't say I don't like it because it will make your workflow a lot faster than before. And you can also set it to other buttons too, but I think the best way to use it is through this rubberized section. You can use it on MX Master 3S or MX Anywhere too, but the feature came with MX Master 4 and it works the best with this mouse. So what is Action button? When you press it, a circular menu, the Action Ring, pops up on your screen. This is where you can define tons of shortcuts for every specific app. I can honestly say, you could finish an entire Premiere project without ever touching your keyboard by using the Logitech MX Master 4. But I got to admit, this mouse isn't for mouse nerds or gamers or some people like that. Why? It's a great mouse for productivity for people who don't care about the mouse specs or something like that. It comes with 8000 dpi, which is good, but I don't use it either. I set it to 2500 dpi, which is normal for me at least, and I don't think you're gonna use it too. At the end of the day, you're not gonna do some gaming or anything like that with this mouse, and you should not, because the specs doesn't allow you to do that. Another great change is the new Type-C dongle. Most laptops nowadays only have Type-C ports, and Logitech finally caught on. Of course, you can still connect up to 3 devices in the same time via Bluetooth and switch between them, no matter the platform, like you are in Windows, Mac, or even tablet or Android or other operating systems. But you should know, this mouse works the best with Logi Options application, which is only available on the Mac and the Windows. And I gotta say, 2 scroll wheels like previous models are the game changer for this mouse. This adaptive scroll wheel is great and the build quality is perfect, and I can't say anything wrong about it. I love it. I love scrolling with this mouse, and you just have to try it by yourself to see how well they implemented this feature in this mouse. I did tell you, if you are a gamer, just stay away. First, ergonomics. This mouse is designed for hand comfort during long work hours, not for the fast, flicky movements of a shooter. In high-stress gaming situations, its weight and shape might cause it to sleep. Even worse, the shortcuts. Imagine being in the middle of a fight and accidentally clicking a shortcut that tabs you out of the game. If gaming is your priority, the MX Master 4 is the worst possible choice at this price range. So what's the conclusion? In the end, using this product is a pure pleasure for me. If your work involves editing, graphics, programming, or even heavy office tasks, this is the best investment you can make for your rest and your workflow speed. But if you game a lot and do other tasks, I don't think you should go for this. You can buy 2 other mice with the same price, like G502 with the cable, and along with that you can get a G502X wireless and be happy with it. Like one for you to go out and play games on the go, and one for staying at home and be happy with it. And they are much better for gamers, not this one. What do you think about the MX Master 4? Tell us in the comments below, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.